The Thermalright FW PRO 360 cooler delivers strong thermal performance with a thick 360mm radiator and a capable pump that keeps modern processors comfortably in check under sustained loads. Its trio of 120mm fans uses pulse width modulation control and an efficient 7-blade layout to push plenty of air while keeping noise surprisingly low for a cooler in this class. Build quality feels premium with a fully coated black radiator, sturdy sleeve tubing, and solid metal mounting hardware that inspires confidence during installation and long-term use. The integrated square IPS display with a 320 by 320 resolution adds real flair, offering crisp system stats or custom graphics without looking cheap or gimmicky. Installation is straightforward thanks to pre-installed fans, clear mounting brackets, and broad support for current Intel and AMD sockets, including the latest mainstream desktop platforms. Overall, this all-in-one unit strikes a very appealing balance of cooling power, acoustics, aesthetics, and compatibility for users who want a high-performance liquid solution without unnecessary hassle.